What's up guys, your Biglee here. Today I'm gonna teach you the exercise that recruits maximum number of muscles in a single movement. Deadlift. Right from your toe till your neck, every muscle group in your body has to work in sync if you want to do a proper deadlift. Let me teach you how it is properly done. Number one, stand close to the bar so that the bar is almost touching your shin. Next, bend down and grab the bar. You can grab the bar straight or in an alternate grip. When you go alternate, your grip strength is higher because the bar does not roll in a single direction. All right? So I'm holding an alternate grip. The second thing is, a lot of people have this hunch in the back which can injure your back easily. In order to rectify the hunch, all you have to do is squat down a little bit more and push your shoulder backwards. When you push your shoulder blade backwards, your spine becomes straight. If you're squatted enough, you're in the perfect position to lift. And if you look at my alignment, my shoulder is exactly in line with the bar and it is close to my shin. Now I explode all the way up. If you see, the bar moves in a straight line. When the bar moves in a straight line, you can generate maximum momentum and lift maximum load. So I go all the way down, keep the weight down, up, slowly lower the weight down. And if you are looking at generating constant tension of your back and not just the load, then do not touch the floor. Stop it just above the floor, come up. Stop it just above the floor and come up. When it comes to deadlift, I prefer going real heavy. I don't believe in going for high reps and failure on deadlift. This being an extremely good mass building movement, power building movement, I like to go 5 to 8 reps and max on the load, and I do it first thing in my back workout so that I can use all my energy and recruit all possible muscle fibers. One more important trick. All you guys who are trying to lose fat, rather than cardio, if you're deadlifting more, you're burning a lot of calories during the workout, and in order to recuperate from your deadlift, you burn even more. So whether it's mass building or fat loss, deadlift your way out. It's your Biglee, over and out.